freak, you suck!
My friend told me one time I was working out with my dad, and my papa was jamming out to some rock music over here. Bum, 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 bum. And then I was over here. Jesus loves me. Yes, I know. Jesus loves me. Yes, I know. For the Bible tells me so. Yo, I'm finna throw this water balloon at you.
Hold on. How about I'm the water balloon? Yeah, how do you like them apples? How do you like them apples?
I don't like apples. Or those type of apples.
Can you call Miguel on VR?
Well, bet you can't fly. Alright, y'all ready to get some Animal Company plushies?
Miguel can't escape.
What I did, I just reset my game because I gave up. Buddy,
I only reset my game because you wanted me to save this.
Yeah, gimme. You know, buddy, it doesn't matter. I was Silas for one. How the freak is... Oh, he's gone, bro.
He's gone.
Silas has Silas has them, like, in his, goop builds. So I could just ask him.
Yeah,
I could ask him
I did
for,
not mean to do that. I let go of it. I am Wakanda. I need money.
What is wrong with this game? Guys, it turns daytime and nighttime in this game?
They added a day-night cycle.
It got way more dark. What? Alright, guys.
Why would they add it?
I don't know.
Just to make the game more realistic, I guess.
No, people were asking for it.
Oh. Well,
I have an egg. Well, I have nothing to sell.
Grappler.
I have
oh my
nothing.
God. Grappler.
I have my credit.
Wait, where are we going?
We're going to get Animal Company plushies.
I made us some money. Wait, are we going to Biolab place?
Yeah.
How do you get to Biolab, actually?
I'll show you. I know the way. I already beat this, or I was close to beating it, but
Do I need
died.
a bag?
Not really. Actually, we kind of could use some, like, weapons in a bag. If you want to get that.
I meant like a bag in general.
Yeah, I don't care. Alright, guys, y'all ready? Oh my God, the moon's so bright and big, bro.
I'm gonna get some stuff to help me get over there.
Every day we talk a little.
I'm gonna use these to get there faster.
You know, I could low
Do y'all wanna?
I'm gonna bring.
Do y'all want a pair?
What?
Do y'all want a pair of these? Or no?
Yeah.
Guys, we need weapons, cause there's monsters over there.
What kind of weapons?
Just like revolvers.
Miguel. You think I could have another umbrella?
Guys, we each get a revolver and we don't use it.
Bro?
We don't use it.
I don't know.
We don't use this revolver unless we need to, if our lives depend on it, because we need it for one part.
I need like a small bag. The smallest
small bag. What about a big bag?
Who cares?
I don't need a bag.
Ooh, there's a monkey bag. That's tough.
Oh, there is. That's tough. Alright, so...
Also, Miguel, can I have another teleporter?
Yeah, hold on.
I need a teleporter and an umbrella.
Wait, can I get a teleporter? Oh, I only have 105K.
I have 68K, bruh.
I have 7K.
I have 105K. Oh my god.
I'm going broke right now. I'm getting broke.
Who bought all...
Miguel.
Oh wait, instead of a teleporter, I'm gonna use a heart gun.
Can I have an umbrella?
Yeah, I got you.
I'll just use a grappler then.
Reach.
Or actually, no, I don't want to use a grappler.
Bro, item purchase cooldown.
Oh, you're on cooldown. That's crazy. Ooh.
Do we need these?
Buddy, give me my teleport back.
Take a joke.
This is from my stash.
This much.
Do y'all want a heart gun instead? It's gonna be faster.
Alright, my teleporter's gone again.
Oh.
Yeah, I want a heart gun.
Oh wait, no it's not.
My stupid heart. Boom, boom. I tried to
wait, what
let
was I
you
gonna
go.
buy?
My
Both of
stupid
y'all grab
heart.
a heart gun.
Oh, no.
It'll be
I
faster.
tried to let you go. Wait, how does this thing work? Is it like this?
Use the blue.
This much. Here's a revolver back. Yeah.
Use the blue.
And you just threw away like thousands of dollars away.
Oh, my bad, twin.
Isn't each revolver like 2K?
Each revolver is 5K.
God.
I just spent almost all my money on them.
Yeah, buddy, you spent all that. You wasted all his money.
Alright, I bought a bunch of revolvers.
Is that enough?
I'm gonna take one.
God,
Give me mine.
my money, bro.
Okay, you wasted his.
No, I put them in my bag, so they're safe.
Yeah, Rhett.
Okay.
Yeah, Rhett. Where the freak are you going? You didn't even let me tell you where we're going. All right, we're going that way. Just follow me.
Was that the wrong way?
Wait, where?
Valid.
Guys, I'm flying.
All right, be aware of spooky, scary skeletons.
Yo, wait for me.
Yeah, wait for me.
I'm sorry. Yo, why did you say wait?
Day shown. That's rated day
Gentry,
shown.
What?
Come here. Wear this one instead. Cause you don't have
Like blue eyes didn't show surprise.
Yo, who's hitting me?
We could walk on the ceiling, and we run nothing.
Alright, you'll move a bit slower than the rest, but that's okay.
We don't.
That's okay, so we suppose we should let it grow.
I should have brought my rec room bag.
Same. Well, that takes up everything.
Why does it look weird?
Bro, are we going to Narnia again?
Again.
Oh, I'm flying. Ankles. Freak.
Hey, I'm Kyle.
Ankles.
Hey, I'm Kyle.
Where do we go? Oh, going next. Tunnel. Chicken fries. I want some chicken.
Guys, wait up. Wait up.
Chicken sauce.
Guys, we go to the right. What are y'all doing? No way, they changed it already.
Stars.
They changed it already.
Chicken stars.
Bro,
Was that alright?
it was a
I mean,
way
yes-
different.
Yesterday was Tuesday, so.
Bro, it was a different direction like 2 hours ago.
Alright, come on, let's go.
I lead the way. I lead the way. I lead the way.
Among Us.
Guys,
Oh yeah,
go
Miguel,
this
do
way.
you have Among Us VR?
Yo, freaky.
Among Us.
Among Us.
Amongst us.
Something.
This part kills you. This kills you. Help!
Or is it Amongst Us? Die! We could walk on the ceiling. Hey, get back here, Biggie.
Small and us. What is that?
Yes, we're all dead.
Accept your fate, twin.
That's a pretty big hole.
In heart gun to the
Miguel, please. Guys, I'm on my way back. Alright, bro, I gotta go more prepared. Umbrella. Like, did y'all already die right after I died?
No, I'm done with this. Bullet! I didn't hit you. Bullet!
Oh, I'm blind, bro.
That's what you did to me.
What?
You know, I'm done with this. I'm pulling with it. I'm pulling
Yeah,
up to
Rhett,
him with a gun.
what did I do to you? What do you
Pulling
mean
up
that's
to him
what
with
I
a
did
gun.
to you?
I'm done with this.
Buddy, what do you mean that's what I did to you?
You were throwing water balloons at me.
Okay, I'm not complaining about it. I said I'm blind. I said I'm blind because I couldn't find the umbrella,
Reload.
but I
What is this
found
supposed to do? I just wasted all my points. What does it do? It's out of ammo.
You put it in here. But it's a water gun.
Hold on.
Yeah, buddy. Quit crashing out.
Can I have a revolver?
Did you just say Kaisonet?
Yeah, bro, I said Kaisonet. Boy, we don't need a revolver. We need this. Actually, no. Never mind. We do need revolver. Freak.
Give me reloader.
Reloader. Freaking reloader.
Buddy, I'm coming.
Yo, Miguel, do you still have ammo in that reloader? He's probably so confused. Oh, you go zooming with an umbrella, bro.
Yo, grappler and umbrella is...
The peakest duo.
I'm trying to get back up to y'all. I don't even know how to get back up.
No, we're like halfway already.
Oh. Buddy, wait for me at the second time.
Buddy.
No.
Buddy, get your freaking guns ready. This way.
I got
Thank
my
you.
goons ready. I got
What?
my gooning ready. Stand ready for my arrival, worm. He gets one tap.
With a freaking revolver, bro? That's sad.
Stand ready. He did one tap.
You know, it doesn't matter, buddy. Just skip him.
I died.
You didn't die. You died him? What color?
Ow.
Ticky ticky tembo. Ticky ticky tembo. Not
Valid.
Rembo.
What the freak is that? Is that Narnia?
Here, this is your backpack, Gentry.
Oh, bad, bro. There's like a bill. I don't need that thing.
There's
Well,
your
could
backpack.
Let me have it then.
Well, what about umbrella?
Alright, I killed the
stuck.
big guy. Come on, let's go.
Are you talking about that one thing that smollenizes?
Okay, I made it to the other side.
Guys, look for like a little facility.
Boy. GTA Online, right?
Yeah, sure.
Found it.
Welcome to the facility, chat. Guys, if y'all get crushed by that, you die. Be careful.
I'm zooming.
No! Buddy, where the frick did you do that?
Do I touch it or do I not?
Dang it! Buddy, where?
Buddy, I'm sorry.
Buddy, come here.
Somebody
said,
How do I open the vault?
Who's coming?
You gotta get crushed. crushed.
Big dog is camping.
Buddy, just rest me. Do it quick.
Oh, nice.
Buddy, rest me, bro.
I can't, bro.
You literally can.
I bet.
Do it. I died. Help me.
Miguel?
Help me. Come
Where
on,
are you?
follow me. I'm behind you. Follow me.
Oh.
Follow me. Follow
Come
me.
here.
Follow me. Follow me.
Is that a bear trap?
Yeah. Come on.
I got trapped by a bear, twin.
I have been awakened.
Valid. Alright, we can beat this. We can beat this.
Boy, I don't even know how to beat it.
Or should we go back for Rhett?
No.
Oh yeah, we're too far.
Yeah, we're like knee deep into this.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need something for the vault. How do I get
Wait, no. The code is 3854. I think. Yeah. 3 freak. 3 8 5 4. What? What? Oh, we gotta match this. Yes!
Yeah, I did all the work, buddy. I'm the game.
I know it's fake, but there's some crazy lore drama.
Yeah, it's some crazy lore. Alright, so this way?
Basically, being friends with someone, like so much that like you hang out with them every day. And now I just call Caden his boyfriend.
Holy relationship.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Whoa!
Yo, now
yeah.
now we're in office. Wait, this will take everything.
Wait, this is like fancy.
Buddy,
though.
wait for me.
Yeah, let's wait for Rhett right here. We're safe, we're safe.
No.
Can y'all like come back and lead?
Oh no!
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 No! Holy booty
Y'all wait
cheek
for me at
physics. Yo, holy cheek action, bro.
Said, by the way.
We're in an elevator, fancy, and there's some cheek action here, bro.
What?
There's a gorilla with some crazy cheeks here, bro. What is wrong with you?
Buddy, I remember that incident, bro. I got yelled at.
Yeah.
I can't grab him.
Close your eyes.
Don't kill him this time.
If you kill me, you like Kylie, and you want to marry Caden and Camden and all them
It was
people.
Kylie.
A furry in my class.
We is bit free.
Buddy, we get to break glass over here, by the way.
Into the Spider-Verse reference? No! Help me! Help me! Break it!
Buddy, break all of it. This is fun. Oh, freak them. I'm breaking everything. Guys,
What do we put in?
we gotta find these.
Are they? Where are they?
Who knows?
Mommy? Gotta go
Guys,
find
this
them.
way, this way, this way.
Can't open.
Wait for me.
What is that? Yo, Wally is in there.
Don't break any of these, bro, or we're cooked. I kinda wanna break one.
Stop attacking! Buddy, save yourself! We should have never came in here! Is that Pac-Man?
Yo! Who let the fire out?
Holy, let the birds out! Everyone's dying one by one, bro. This is sad. This is depressing, bro.
Empty walk.
Can you save me?
Homer, let the birds out.
Can you save me, please?
Homer, let the birds out.
Flyers, let the monsters out.
Guys, I found another hallway. They're really back in there, bro.
There's a cute thing. There's more flyers.
Did bro teleport? Guys, I just slapped an angler and it disappeared.
Are you?
I'm out the hallway. There's more places to go. Are y'all still in that room with a bunch of monsters?
Yeah, we're having
Y'all are having what?
we have to beat up flyers.
Please!
Homer, let the birds
Guys, let me in!
the door.
Oh my gosh! Close that freaking door, bro!
I'm closing it. It's very slow. Alright, go.
Yo, those cute things are in here.
Homer, let the
Die! Ankles! 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 Ankles!
Buddy, save me.
Buddy, I was being attacked by Wally. Come here, bro.
Here,
Come here.
You're not anymore.
Close your eyes.
Yay. Miguel?
Miguel?
We might have lost him. We might have lost him.
We lost a soldier, buddy.
Where are you at? He flew up with Hello.
We thought we lost a soldier. What the freak was? Oh, my bad, twin. Yo, guys, one of those cute things are freaking glitched into the wall. Yo, quit hitting.
Homer left the board.
Are we in prison?
Yo, I can
Guys?
get out.
Guys? Yo, is this how they joined the amazing digital circus, bro? What the freak?
Help me! Help!
Of course we That is not an ogre, bro.
What is that thing?
Yo, my God, let's break it.
We're breaking it. We're breaking it.
Yes, we are letting it out. Yo, this is the ogre's mom, bro. What the freak?
Owie. Do-do-do-do. Look, buddy. It's Mini Ogre.
Wait, we got a plushie. We got our first plushie. Dang it!
Mini Ogre.
Multicolor. Guys, should we go to the
Where do
different
we go?
rooms? We gotta find like a little thingy-majig.
Okay.
Okay, well, I guess this way was the wrong way. Let's go.
Yeah, we went the wrong way. There's like a little what's it called? Like a little Guys, we gotta find like fuses.
Where did y'all go?
Back to the one place? What the freak? Guys, be aware of monsters.
Why are we closing the door? Oh, now we're in office.
Wait, look at me.
Yeah? Did I just get flashbanged? Yo, there's so many nuts right here, bro.
Oh, it's the earth.
I'm sorry, guys. I had to do it.
I'm a hero.
I had to let it freak.
I'm a hero, Brian.
Guys, it was telling me to let it out.
Don't let them in. Hello? Oh, we got the things.
Guys, this is what we need. We need to break this open. Break it open.
Yes.
Guys. Alright, start pressing buttons. Wait, you gotta match them. Match them.
3. Alright, I'll do one. Windows. 8. Square.
Alright, I got this one.
Yay! I got one, bro. Oh God!
Who opened it?
Help me!
Res him.
You res him.
I can't. I have this thing in my hand.
It's gonna be so fun.
Alright, no, let me focus if we want to do this.
Yes.
Yo, you're the one who let him out there, dog.
Oh, no! Why are you here?
Can you save me?
That
No!
I hope you respawn all the way back to Siobhan.
No! Please, buddy. I'll do anything.
Wait, how do I get it off? I did the puzzle.
It's in your hand.
Is it?
Guys. We put. Do we have a
grab it from up
backpack?
here.
Do we have a backpack?
No.
Alright, then. Who doesn't have a fuse? Who doesn't
I
have a
can't grab
fuse?
it. I can't grab it.
You have to.
Do this
What do
one.
I do?
Miguel, do that one. We all need to hold a fuse.
This is some Undertale gameplay.
Yo, what the freak?
No.
See, Miguel, in this game, you wanted to say yes.
Lock in.
Yeah!
Right there.
Grab it. I took Miguel, or I think it was Miguel. I don't know. I just found it.
Why did that one not fall on the ground?
Alright, let's go.
Wait,
We need to do more though, right? Because we only have 3.
It only takes 1 to do it. We can each have our own, can't we?
Yeah, we each get our own plushie.
How do we get our plushie? Like, does it follow us? Like, what does it do?
We gotta go back to the place, like at the very, follow me. We gotta get out of here. Alright, buddy, go back, or whoever you are, other way. What's he pressing? Other way! Guys, this way. Alright, fine, I won't help you all out then, because I know what to do.
Who goes first?
Oh, so it gives you a random one.
Yeah, it gives you a free
Tiki
plushie.
Tembo. does this thing do?
Alright, put it in there.
Oh, you want me to go? I got Verity!
Yo, if anyone wants to trade, I got you.
Ooh, red light, green light.
Yo, you want to trade?
Nope.
Oh. Buddy, you want to trade?
Wait, actually, yeah, I do want to trade.
I bet. No.
Ticky Tumbo.
Give me.
Yeah, get scammed.
Get scammed, bro.
Buddy, we gotta kill him.
You know what? I'm putting Verity in the shredder.
No, buddy, you lose him.
What does the shredder do?
It makes you lose him. It's like for if you don't that thing.
Got you.
My flashlight.
You should grab his. Yo, there ain't no saving you.
Buddy, we should kill him and then put his stuff in there.
Yo, there's no way to save you.
Miguel, where'd you go? Young Gila.
Youngie, let the spawns out.
Where did my bomb go, bro?
Your bomb, it's my bomb, buddy.
No.
Give me that bar.
I hope he dies down there. Yes, we are saving my bomb.
Who's we, bro?
Wait, no, but I want to shred it because you're gonna give it to him.
Alright, shred it then, bro.
Ooh.
Put it in the shredder.
Ooh.
Put it in the shredder. I didn't expect you to actually.
Oh. I thought I was supposed to.
I thought that like a DNA sample was gonna come through that thing. So, you wanna go get yourself another DNA? Like, you wanna go get one?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, let's go, guys.
That was actually kind of fun too.
Yeah, it was kind of fun screaming to the top of my lungs because of a freaking thingamajig.
Should we go to a new area?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Miguel, come back. Why? We need to go get the stuff. A new way.
Wait, should we just go that way?
Never mind, we're going that way.
Never mind!
Yeah, but I'm gonna shoot you because
Alright, guys, I'm at the prison I'm at the prison.
Oh,
my.
we found the DNA sample.
Wait, where?
We went the way we were gonna go.
Oh, I'm at the way we already went.
Yeah, us too. We went another. There's like 50. The way.
There's a what?
There's a lot of blood samples in.
Bet. Oh, I hear them. Y'all didn't hear that. Guys! Open the door! monster on me, bro.
Bro, I don't have anything to destroy it.
Rhett does. Bro, Rhett, I like every monster on me.
No. Yes.
Wait, can you drop your sword? Oh, never mind.
Wait.
I want to do one.
Yo, you can't even break up. How did we both die, bro?
How did Bro even break out of his cage?
I know, he was in the cage. Bro, where did Rhett go?
I don't know.
Yo.
What is the way back?
Buddy!
I found it.
Did bro forget about us?
Where are y'all?
Who's gonna tell him, bro? Who's gonna tell him?
Bro, I'm about to respawn.
We're dead, Rhett! Oh, and he's over there talking like he knows we're... We're dead! Miguel, we're still alive!
That can be
We're still alive! Let's go! We shouldn't be too far. Ow.
Yo, we're not far. Alright, get a crowbar.
We don't have a grappler though, we're cooked.
No, we're not.
Buddy.
Yeah. Oh! Buddy!
We need to go get our DNA samples. Give me your heart gun. Real quick.
Buddy, can one of those be... never mind.
Nope. This much.
What happened to yours?
Oh, I got angler.
Of course you did. Buddy, wait, try to put it here. No, bro, I don't know what it's gonna do. Put it here.
I want to make sure that you can't steal it first.
Bro, I'm not gonna steal it. Oh my god, you're so annoying. I meant the plushie, idiot.
Yeah, nothing happened.
Oh, I thought I'd like take it to your stash or something. Why do you think
I
I'd
wish it
steal it, bro?
Because.
That was Miguel.
Alright, let's see what else I get.
Yeah, keep on bragging about freaking samples.
I got a monkey.
No one can!
You were literally trying to steal my sample, but
No, I was asking if I could have it.
I just said, can one of those samples be mine? Fortnite.
What the freak? Go, buddy!
Oh god, there's a ton.
Yo, I don't like doing these ones. Bet.
Yes.
Hey, Karen.
Yes.
I'm gonna set her free, buddy.
Bro, don't set her free. Oh, bet. Where'd my fuse go? You like Kylie, by the way. Kill him. I gotta see this.
You like healing. Yes, you do so much.
This much.
Hey, buddy, there's another code one over here.
Oh, bet. What is wrong with you?
Buddy, that was the door that killed you. Yeah, watch me cook again, bro. Get out my way, bro. Watch this.
Do you just spam the buttons?
Maybe.
Alright, buddy, can
Watch
we
me
stay
cook
together
again, bro.
this time?
Hold on, Let's see if I can do it for this game.
Buddy, can you carry one for me?
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, you will?
No. Yes. No. Yes. No.
Oh, bet.
Yes.
Bet.
Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. No.
Is Miguel still in here? Miguel, where'd you go? Yay,
Oh, I
buddy.
died.
Oh, you died again?
Yeah, cause
Where are you? I have a fuse.
I have a sample. Cool, bro.
Miguel, I'll get, actually, hold on.
Miguel. Miguel, look. I got Miguel, look. I got Munker and Englar.
You got Munker?
Yeah.
I got Munker!
Something cool.
Buddy, we got Munker!
I might trade depending on what he gets.
I'm not trading ever again, bro. Wait, you
I
want
don't
to trade
want that
Munker?
Skittle.
You want a Munker?
No. No, for this. This is beautiful.
Okay.
I
Did
just
you
threw
just
away
shred
anglerfish.
with
What
this?
did you just shred?
Anglerfish.
You could have gave it to me.
I would
my
have
bad.
taken that.
I'm gonna go get more fuses.
Alright, bet. I like how I just have a 3D model of a monkey out here.
Humble superior. Miguel, where are you at?
No. Munker? Oh. God. How do I only have 35? No way I wasted that much on revolvers, bro. Yeah.
I thought if you respawned, it would spawn you back.
Oh, you didn't press the button like me and Miguel did. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Can I?
Hi, buddy.
Y'all, can I have one? I lost all 3 of mine, twin. You get at least bring a backpack. We
Buddy,
should go
buddy,
back with a backpack.
I bet you. So you know how the like digging area, it gave you that like shooty gun, the laser gun?
Yeah.
What if this thing, like these will be in the shop?
These are called toys.
That makes sense.
We should go back with these, like with backpacks.
Yeah, I got a bomber toy.
I got.
Wait, it's still
Eden-
nighttime over here?
You know, but I'm gonna get off.
Oh, bye-bye. Okay. Golly. Oh, I'm screenshotting that on my phone, bro, whenever I edit this video. Yo, Miguel, we're getting off.
No, wait. No, wait.
Rhett.
He already got off. It's too late.
Wait, can you tell him to get on real quick? I got his
Wait.
bunkers.
Oh! Wait,
I
he's
got
here to
his
call
bunkers.
Rhett.
I'm sorry, the person you
Oh, freak him, bro. Yo, just put him in your stash and then give him to him next time we get on this game.
I also got my bunkers. I wasn't able to get yours because my hands were full.
It's alright.
Cause we were in like the room where the person killed us, and I forgot where you.
Well, really, all I got was a freaking bomb, and I already got myself a bomb, so I don't care. Yo, we need to get on like, wait, should we get on that like tonight?
Tonight? What time is it now?
Like 5.
What time tonight? Depends.
Like
For me.
8.
8? Yeah, sure. I'll get on.
I bet.
Okay, wait. Wait. Can you just tell him that I got his markers though?
Yeah. Should we do the same
no,
game?
don't tell him. I'll just make it a surprise. Don't tell him.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him that we wanted to play Animal Company again, and we got surprise. And then you say, "Oh, I lost the surprise," and then you say, "Hey, I found these guys, and they're totally not yours."
And I was like, oh, but I didn't lose these though. I didn't lose these.
Yeah, I didn't lose these. And he's gonna be like, "But what was the surprise?" And you're gonna like, you never know. We just keep it a secret for the rest of his life. He won't know what the surprise was.
If the sun with you